On day 3 of the 5th Global Conference on the Elimination of Child Labour, we passed the mic to children.
Children should embrace their childhood.
Children should imagine.
Children should learn.
Children should play.
Children should laugh.
Children have to interview about child labor. So, Deputy Minister, I am aware that we are on a mission to completely eradicate child labor by 2025.
There is this African proverb that says, raising a child is not an individual's responsibility. It takes a village to raise a child, and therefore it is the responsibility of the entire village to make sure that we are aware of the situation.
UNICEF is really looking forward to having the voices of the children heard.
Okay, ma'am, so as an individual, what do you feel about child labor in the world?
We are expecting that at the end of this conference, we have a clear and actionable plan, that we have clearly committed resources and finances to take the actions necessary to protect our children.